Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle, which for me is not visible, I think. Oh no, there it is. So it looks like this, with a circle, and it says screen recording under that. And I click on it. It allows you to either record single app or entire screen, and then if you select it, you have also the option to record audio. A drop-down menu, you have microphone, device audio, or both. And obviously with this off, it's not recording any audio. And then we can also record touches whenever you press the display with your finger. Let's start recording. This will begin a 3-second countdown, and then with the notification most likely, there we go, start recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. There is a limitation though. Certain applications will be preventing the screen recorder from seeing the screen. Now right here checking it, we don't have any applications like that, I think. So that's good. Thank you, Sony. Anyway, once you're done, you can pull down your notifications, click on the stop. Again, another notification, and your saved screen recording can be found in your Photos application. Oh, there we go. It's right here. Now, in here we're gonna navigate to collections, and we should have either videos or screenshots album. Let's see first the screenshots. This looks to be just a screenshot. Let's go back to videos. And chances are I might not see it in either one of those locations because of some genius working here at the company that changes the settings here on these devices. So typically you would see it either in screenshots or screen recordings or videos folder, one of those three. But for me, the only way I can show it to you is by finding the notification that I just got, clicking on it, and you can see I can play it back. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.